Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to create this viral wallpaper trick on your iPhone. So the way you do this, of course, you will have to have certain wallpapers in order to do this, but it's not hard at all. Anyone can do this in a minute. So as you can see right here, we have this wallpaper that it's basically turned off right here, but when I tap it glows up, so it's pretty cool. Now you can do this for the lock screen, or you can even combine it with the home screen, so you put one on the lock screen, the other one on the home screen, and you get this cool effect. So let me show you guys how you do this. So to do this, as I said, you will need to have the right wallpapers. A couple of apps where you can find these kind of wallpapers is Wallcraft right here. So if you just go to Wallcraft and you go to double, you will get these kind of wallpapers like that one right there. Or wallpapers, now we can also get these kind of wallpapers like this right here, which is pretty cool. Now once you have downloaded the wallpapers that you need on your device, then the process is very simple. Just go to the lock screen, and from here tap to create a new wallpaper. Once you tap there, you want to go right here to photo shuffle. When you go here, tap on select photos manually, and then this will take you to your photos library. So just select the wallpapers that you have just saved. So you select basically this one. In this case, we select first, then the second one will be this one. So 1, 2, and tap on add. And now we're right here on the lock screen, and it has added the wallpapers. So if we tap right there, these are the wallpapers that will shuffle. You need to go right here on the 3 dots, and where it says right here on tap, make sure you select that, and you're basically good to go. Now you tap on add, set as wallpaper pair, and there we go. Now we have that wallpaper that does that pretty cool trick. Now if you want to do this of the other way that I told you guys, where you have this kind of wallpaper on the lock screen and the one that basically turns on is on the home screen, that's pretty simple. You create a new lock screen from here, and when creating a new lock screen, all you want to do is add the lock screen wallpaper, which will be this one in this case. And once you have added it, you tap add right there, and then tap on customize home screen. And when you go to home screen, you tap here on photo and go and select the other wallpaper. And now that you have selected the other wallpaper, tap the done button, tap done once again, and you're good to go. We are here. And then when we go to the home screen with that, we have that wallpaper that basically turns on, which is actually quite cool. So that's basically it for this video, guys. This is how simple you can create that cool wallpaper effect that you probably saw everywhere on the internet. So if you want to download those apps, I will leave them linked right down below in the description of the video, or you can just go ahead and search for dual wallpapers on Google. You will probably find a ton of them. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.